So back in the 1500s, this Pope Gregory, straight up declared war on sneezing. Yeah, like dude wakes up one day, heard a guy sneeze, and was like, "That's it, you're possessed." Back then, they thought sneezing was the devil's way of getting into your body, so Pope Greg's solution was to just fucking ban it. No more sneezing, problem solved, right? He told people to say, "God bless you," immediately, like some kind of holy defense mechanism. Like you're just trying to get some pollen out of your nose, and now it's a whole ass exorcism. Imagine living back then, you sneeze in a church, and half the choir tackles you like you're the fucking Antichrist. Follow for more history they definitely didn't teach you in school.